Since I really started to build credibility in the local business niche, I get this question a lot from local business owners, which is, how do you run ads for a local business? What is the best way for me to get more clients and customers? And here's a couple of ways that I've been able to effectively use to scale local businesses to, multiple 5 figures a month. Number one is Google Ads. When you're able to run good search engine ads on Google for local phone calls, map directions, sending traffic to your Google My Business that may have reviews, social proof, whatever the case may be, that's a very good asset to have. Second thing is map citations. If you do not know what those are, if you have a Google business profile right now and it's not getting a lot of views month after month after month, even though you're getting more reviews, start doing Google map citations. You can get these done on Fiverr. You can outsource these. They're very cheap. It allows you to basically duplicate your business hundreds of times in a 10 to 15 mile radius by just simply hitting simple keywords that your business ranks for. Number 3 is going to be email marketing. Okay. You can do data scrapping with local customers from other restaurants or other local businesses, whatever niche you're in, and you can basically get emails from email directories. You can just cold email people. Yes, that is seen to be as illegal. I get that, but there's companies who do it. And it is actually very effective if you don't have a ton of money to spend on ads and you're just looking to do very quick email blasts and do data scraps. That is a very simple way for you to do so. I'm not encouraging or promoting it. I'm just simply saying that is a way that I've seen some of my clients do, some of their growth other than the stuff that I've done. Number 4 is going to be just content, like posting local content. And this is the only way that I would recommend people boosting posts. Boosting posts on Facebook and Instagram. It's only been effective for local business because of the way that you can expand the dollar in such a low mile radius, 10 to 15 miles. And that's been very, very effective. Number 5, the final one, is direct mail. Okay, other than ads, other than Google ads, Facebook ads, driving traffic to your website, building up your Facebook pixel, direct mail is a very effective way to sell high tickets. So painting contractors, plumbers, electricians, landscapers. Direct mail is very effective. Even though it is a little pricey for some businesses that are just starting out, 10,000 letters is probably around $3,500 to $4,000. If you can't afford that straight up, you can just go the advertising route, but it's a very, very good service for high ticket business owners. And then just as a bonus one is just having a lead gen process where, you talk about your services, you're able to showcase social proof, you have a certain offer, and you build that out on a ClickFunnels landing page, and you're able to basically send traffic there from those boost posts or Facebook ads or Google ads in general. If you don't want to send them right to a call, you could send them to a landing page where they can put their info in, and then you can have your sales team or employees, whatever the case may be, reach out to them and start booking appointments for in-person, evaluations and consults. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you are a local business, you need help scaling your business this year, reach out to me, DM me the word local, and I'll reach out to you. We'll have a quick chat and see if we're a good fit. But that's where I started. That's my nickname when I first started, was the Local Business Accelerator. So if you need help with your local business, hit me up. I'd be glad to help, and let's scale you this year.